Alright, so for this next problem, we're looking at Hulk Hogan. And Hulk Hogan lifts his wrestling opponent off the ground and throws them 2 meters per second out of the ring. If the opponent weighs 90 kilograms, how much kinetic energy does he have? So we'll start out with our diagram. So we've got Mr. Hogan here. He's got a bandana. Alright, and he's throwing his opponent, which is right here, and who looks totally scared. And the opponent is traveling at 2 meters per second, so 2 meters per second, and they weigh 90 kilograms. So let's plug in our known values. So mass is 90 kilograms, and the speed or the velocity of them is 2 meters per second. Alright, so we'll plug it into our equation. So we've got kinetic energy, or KE, equals 1/2 mv squared. And so that will be KE equals 1/2. Mass is 90 kilograms. And the velocity was 2 meters per second. And 2 meters per second is squared. Alright, so I'll rewrite it up here to solve. So I've got KE equals 1/2 90. That's the mass, kilograms. And then 2 meters per second is my velocity, so 2 meters per second. And 2 meters per second is squared. So we'll start out with the exponent first. So 2 meters per second squared. 2 times 2 is going to give me 4. Alright, and then 90 kilograms is still left there. And then I have 1/2. Now, since this is all multiplication, and there's nothing I specifically have to do before or after, I can use this 1/2 to either 90 or 4, whatever I'm most comfortable with. So I'm going to use it with 4, because that's the easiest thing for me. So 1/2 times 4 is going to give me 2, and so then I'll have 90 kilograms times 2, and that will equal KE. And I'll do that math up here. So KE equals 90 times 2, and 90 times 2 is 180. Since I'm writing this out with the correct units, it's going to be KE, or kinetic energy, equals 180 joules. That's my final answer.